Our universe is vast and bright. There are all kinds of giant celestial bodies. So for example, here's a star. Stars rely on nuclear fusion reactions, celestial bodies that burn violently and illuminate the universe. The entire universe contains billions of stars. Our sun is one of them. This is a black hole, one of the most terrifying celestial bodies in the universe. Anything close to a black hole will be devoured without mercy. In addition to that, there are also galaxies, nebulae, planets, and comets and other celestial bodies numbered in billions. Then there are so many celestial bodies in the universe. Where did it come from? How were they born? The answer comes from the universe itself. As early as 1927, Belgian astronomer Georges Lemaitre, based on general relativity and astronomical observations, we believe that the entire universe originated from evolved from the expansion of primitive atoms, that is to say, the universe began with a big bang. In the early days of the universe, there's hydrogen everywhere and clouds of helium. No luminous celestial bodies have appeared yet, but just then, one of the four fundamental attractive forces comes into play. Some thick gas under the support of attractive forces began to gather gradually. As they gather more and more, the internal temperature and pressure are also increasing and finally force itself to be ignited. Formed the first dazzling stars. The universe also ushered in a glorious moment. After that, when a large number of newborn stars and dark matter starts to pile up, forming these massive celestial systems like galaxies, and of course, our own Milky Way is one of those galaxies. It was also formed in this environment. Scientists observe the Sun is about 4.60 billion years old. This also means that about 4.60 billion years ago, the Sun was born in the Milky Way galaxy, a gas cloud inside. When the Sun was still in its infancy, it was surrounded by thousands of rock fragments. These fragments are from a previous generation of stars, the wreckage left behind when it perished. They are also due to the existence of attractive forces constantly colliding and converging until the formation of stars orbiting the Sun, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, etc. These are all planets. Gravity has sculpted the various celestial bodies in the universe. They sculpt the sanctuary that all life depends on. According to observations by the Kepler Space Telescope, most of the stars in our galaxy have their own planets orbiting and on a much larger scale of the universe. The number of stars may be far greater than there's more sand on the planet than there is. Spread across 93 billion light-years in diameter where we live, just a tiny corner of the universe, but it was lit by a particularly bright star. However, the universe is by no means eternal. Any celestial body has a lifespan after the massive star runs out of nuclear fuel, will be unable to resist its own gravity, finally collapsed into a black hole and all the less massive stars. The future will also be extinguished one after another. The universe will one day be dark again, no more light.